Tangkiran. Fishing kami. Kunyari fishing. O yan o. Saan na kayo? Mapunta rin ba kayong Kiran? O Aldesyo, pupunta akong Kiran o. Oh, nice view, nice view.
Oh, andito na pala si Michael.
Nice view.
Unahan na pala tayo, dalawa. Okay. Halika na kayo siya mag-enjoy na tayo.
This is the room. Our room.
Okay.
Ayun mo. I feel hungry. I feel hungry. Yala, we do food trip.
This one like
Ihaw. Paano manok? Isaw. Enjoy. Ella is there. Where's your mama? Hello, where's your mama?
I don't know, she's inside the house.
Relax, relax muna. Dumi ng pao. Oh, relax, relax muna tayo. Oh. Ito kami. Yo. Pagod ako eh. Kaka-ihaw. Ihaw. Mamaya may activities doon. Oh, good morning mga lods. Ay, gising lang, kape po tayo. Kape. Ang ganda ng view dito pag umaga. Pagkagising mo, yosi, kape. O yan mga lods, oh. Oh. Ay yung mga jet ski mga lods, oh. Oh. Maya, mag-jet ski. Mga lods, oh. Ang ganda ng sunset mga lods. Good morning. October 17, 2025. Assalamualaikum. Yaga, to kuya. Oh. Yan na sila. Oh. Ang dami niya, no? Jet ski. Yala. Yeah, Yusuf. Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Oh. Yala, go.
Wait, I'm still waiting.
Yeah, they're still waiting the, like,
We have to wait for this guy to bring the jet skis inside.
Ba't wala kang ganito?
I don't need it. I know how to swim. Hindi, kayo lang muna. Mamaya na ako.
Video kita. Kanin sino maghangka sa akin?
Sila Joy. Yan, sila.
Lumangoy.
Pipindutin mo lang ganun, oh. Ito lang pipindutin para umandar, oh. This, oh. Only this. Ah, lumangoy. You will float. Much better you zip this one.
I cannot.
Why?
Nothing. And
Huh?
then the others are ano yan, live?
No, just only video.
Mag-live.
I don't have... Something for life. Yala. Guys, go.
Guys,
Ito na yung mga mag-a-assist. Yala. Enjoy, guys.
Who took my... Sino kumuha ng tuwalya ko dito? Where's the towel?
Ella, you know that already. You just pulling... what do you call this? Accelerator. I think this is the accelerator.
yeah, this one, yeah.
This the accident.
Yeah.
Both can swim. If she does the same thing last time with you.
She has to be,
Yeah.
she has to be slow and third. That's it.
Yeah, I don't think you still want to
Yala.
No, time for move back. We're not too.
stop.
I'm not
Ella, I told you, listen. Don't go nearby by the people. Bye-bye. Nauna na si Elo. Huh? Okay lang kahit wala akong best.
Mag-best ka.
It's okay, I know how to swim.
Mag-best ka.
Sila muna. No, sila.
Okay, hello.
Ano si Elo?
Dan, sino kasama mo? Ako lang, ikaw. Genesis.
Yan kayo ni ate. Nalang ni Tina.
Ay, dalawa? Genesis na lang.
Oo, si
ikaw,
Kuya
paano
Ayman.
matuto ka?
Paano kaya nga? Pipindot lang yan.
Oo. Ayun na si Yusef.
Yun na si Yusef po.
O kaming dalawa ni Sol, kayong dalawa ni Genesis. O, ikaw na, ikaw na. Ha? Ikaw!
Ay, ito yung dalawa niya.
O, siya, sige, duwa tayo. Tama yan. Kasi si
So you
Aiden.
take Martina with you,
Yes, yes.
and he will take you.
Yes, si Aiden.
Aiden was take.
Okay, I will wear vest. Baby not allowed.
Okay, let's go with...
Pwede bang walang vest eh?
Hindi pwede.
Magbe-vest na ako. Tigas din ang ulo ko eh. Magbe-vest na ako. Not picture, video. This is video.
Takot naman pa mag-drive.
Sino?
Ito.
Kunwari lang yan. Hello. Nene, nakay dyan eh.
Ay, hindi. I can't even reach the...
Si Martina nagda-drive eh, oh. Nandun oh. Isa sa mga yan oh. Parating na jet ski. Yala, go Ella. Go far. Si Martina oh. Agad eh oh. Oh. Agad eh si Martina oh. Stop, stop. You're red, you're red. Stop, you're red. Red. You're red. You're red. Stop nga Ella, Tina yan, red. Eto nga oh, red.
Ah, okay. Kami Genesis.
Go to mama. Wait. Yeah. Stop! Ella! Ella! Press the red.
You're just gonna change, that's it.
Oh. Para akong nagtrabaho na lifeguard dito ah. Oh. Wait. Well, wait. Yan! Tsaka dahil. Yan! Si Tino oh. Oh. Ate Solo. Yala, ro. Go. Yala, you go alone first.